Hi, I'm Natalie.
Hi, I'm Alex.
My name's Peter.
I left my job and knew that I wanted to work remotely and be able to travel. I could save money and stay at home and try to figure it out myself, which I had started doing but was having zero success with. Or I could invest in myself and come on this program.
It's not just high school textbook material that you get here.
The biggest takeaway for me was just the action plan that I'm now leaving with.
It's kind of a whole picture program.
The biggest upside to joining the WiFly Nomads program and coming to Bali is that I was surrounded by like-minded people.
I was most surprised by how close we got with everyone and created a really strong support system.
While you're here, you're with all of these like-minded people. Being around people that you can bounce ideas off of that feel the same way, that have, the same struggles that you're currently going through is immensely helpful.
I definitely would recommend WiFly. This is a really good way to take first steps. More than that, you actually make a plan to make it happen.
Someone should join if they're ready to make a change. And I think if you're watching this video, you're probably in the same boat. So definitely just come.
When you feel like there's more to life than just your 9 to 5, then this is probably a very big step, but a very good first step to invest in yourself, because that is my biggest giveaway. You are worth it, and you should always try to invest in yourself.
So definitely just come.
I'm already sweating. So hot.